It only takes one bad apple to spoil the bunch.
Skip it up and that up.
So Destiny 2 launched on the PC a couple days ago, October 24th, and Bungie and Activision are not going to tolerate any kind of cheating. They have not allowed any kind of overlay software that injects code into the game. They want to make sure the game is fair for everybody, and if anyone attempts to cheat, you will be banned for life, or you could be restricted if, something you did isn't too bad, but if they find out you're trying to cheat with some kind of software, they'll ban you permanently. You won't be able to play the game again. That's it. You're done. But a lot of people who bought Destiny 2 for the PC have been saying that they were banned for no reason. They weren't using any kind of shady third-party software, and they still got banned from Destiny 2. This security feature built into the PC version of Destiny 2 doesn't allow apps like Discord, OBS, XSplit, so on and so forth to have overlays in the game. They could still run in the background, but some of their features will be restricted. Again, this is an attempt to restrict cheating in Destiny 2 on the PC. Now, to be clear, applications like Fraps, MSI Afterburner, EVGA Precision XOC will work with Destiny. You just won't be able to use the overlays. Again, this is a preventative measure built into Destiny 2 to prevent cheating. But even though those apps are not supposed to cause an issue, people still believe they're being banned by using those apps in the background. People on Reddit and other forums were complaining that they were banned from the game and they don't know why. They assumed it was because they were using the software that Bungie said should have been okay to work with the game, like MSI Afterburner or Fraps. One thing that annoyed people even more is that NVIDIA's GeForce Experience seemed to work okay. Keep in mind, NVIDIA actually partnered with the publisher Activision to promote Destiny 2. That's kind of a convenient coincidence there, don't you think? Even like the FPS counter, which there should be no overlays in Destiny 2, works when you use NVIDIA GeForce Experience. That can't be a coincidence. There's even players saying that they have nothing else installed except the required Battle.net application to run Destiny 2, and they're saying they think that is the reason they got banned from the game. Again, you need Battle.net to run Destiny 2, so if that's the case, Bungie has a big problem on their hands. What makes this issue of people being banned really bothersome with Destiny 2 is that if you want a refund, it's virtually impossible to get one, and if you are banned, even though Bungie says it's a manual process and someone at their studio actually has to ban you, it's not automated, there is no recourse. If you get banned, you can't refute it, you can't fight back and say, hey, I did nothing wrong. That's it. If they want to keep you banned, it's over. You can't play Destiny 2 anymore. Now, I'm reading this information from Polygon about Bungie's statement. Bungie said yesterday that it banned approximately 400 players of the PC version and promised in a blog post that it did not and will not ban anybody who uses software that employs screen overlays or performance monitors. Bungie went on to say that anybody who got banned deserved it because they were using cheating or hacking software, and that Bungie, again, manually reviews any kind of issues that a player is having. So it's not an automated system that detects cheating. Someone at the studio has to say, hey, this guy's cheating, we're banning him. So Bungie's like, nope, manual review. Anyone who was banned deserved it, except 4 people. They overturned 4 bans because they were done in error. But everyone else, nope, they were using cheating software, gotta ban them. But people who bought Destiny 2 is saying that Bungie is full of crap because it was like as soon as they launched the game, they were banned. So unless they have people that are working at the studio that review these gamers that bought Destiny 2 are psychic, unless they're psychic, there's no way they could have been banned that quick by manual review. But it gets better. In the same day, there was another update from Bungie where they said, yeah, we banned a bunch of people in error. There was a group of people we banned in error. So yeah, we did actually make a mistake. We weren't as right as we thought we were initially. Oops. This is what happens when a couple of morons have to cheat. That's why I said in the beginning of this video, one bad apple ruins the bunch or messes up the bunch. You have a couple people that have to cheat, and they have to put systems like this in place. These draconian systems that are absolutely ridiculous to try to keep the game fair and balanced for everybody. You see it in Overwatch. How many horror stories you hear about Overwatch about people cheating, using software to do all these ridiculous things? I just don't get it. Why play a video game to cheat? Isn't the challenge of the video game what makes it fun? Isn't that what makes it enjoyable? I don't get it. Why play a video game if you're not going to play it properly? Like, go do something that's more productive that may actually, like, make you money or something like that. Why are you wasting time playing a video game to not play it the way it was intended? I'll never understand why human beings just want to win for the sake of winning when there's nothing involved in it. It's not like you're going to win money from Bungie. It's not like you're going to win money from Activision. You're just cheating and spoiling the experience for other people. But this is what happens because there's, a small group of cheaters out there in every single damn game that's made. Companies like Activision and Bungie have to come in and put a system like this in place to try to stop that from happening. Now, I don't blame them for trying to stop cheaters and things like that. But if you're going to have a system like this, Bungie, you have to have a repeal process where people could be like, hey, I didn't do anything wrong. You need to review this. Because if you don't, then you're going to have people who spent $60 in the game who may accidentally be banned for the wrong reasons, and they're out of luck. There's nothing they could do. They bought the game, they can't return it, and you ban them. What can they do? You got to have a repeal process. If you're going to have these strict rules in place, you're going to make mistakes. Even human beings who are manually reviewing each of these cases where people might have been cheating, they can make honest mistakes, and you got to have a way to repeal it because people who are innocent may get banned from Destiny 2, and that's just flat out wrong. The fact you don't have a more efficient repeal process is absolutely inexcusable. So to everyone out there who hates these systems that are put in place to stop people from cheating, thank the cheaters. It's that small group of people who ruin games for everybody. This is Rich of Review Tech USA signing out. Have a good one. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. And to hear more content like this, make sure to subscribe to Review Tech USA.